My name's Mbutsebi Florence. I was using a local charcoal stove, using a charcoal. But that charcoal stove, it could bring much smoke. Up to the end, almost, I could buy a sack of 85,000 shillings. I could use it within 1.5 months. So I decided to look for these eco stoves. I tried it. It worked for me. I saw that the charcoal I was using within 1.5 months, it is taking me 2.5 months. So I saw that it was saving my charcoal, it was saving my money, it was saving my everything. It could ease my work. So I got another one. It has really worked for me, it has helped me a lot. The first one was at 10,000. Then this second one here, they brought for me as a gift, those very people. The first one I've used it for over 2 years. Now the second one, I got it last year. It doesn't bring any smoke. I have a family of 7 people here currently, but that sigiri, it serves us. And I feel comfortable when I put a little charcoal and the food gets ready. They've saved my money. Hey. You buy, within 3 months, you buy 2 sacks of charcoal. But at least in 2.5 months, I buy 1 sack, and it is enough for me.